students, I welcome you to the science video session of standard 5. Students, look at the birds. They are living happily inside the cage. Do you know from where they get energy? They get energy from the food they eat. Do you know from where they get energy or who gives energy to them? The energy comes from the food they eat every day. Today we are going to see Unit 1 Food lesson. Come on students, let's learn about obesity. O-B-E-S-I-T-Y. Obesity. Obesity and overweight are defined as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation in the body that may affect the health. Obesity is most commonly caused by excessive food intake, lack of physical activity and genetic reasons. Obese people take more food but work very less. When they eat more and work less, excess energy is accumulated as fat and creates problems. Obesity increases the chances of heart disease, diabetes and high blood pressure. Come on students, let's learn about the prevention of obesity. Prevention. P-R-E-V-E-N-T-I-O-N. Prevention. Obesity is mostly related to our lifestyle and habits. Eating healthy foods and having regular physical activity can reduce obesity and overweight. It is important that we maintain proper weight in the young age. In order to avoid obesity and overweight, we need to do the following. First point, avoid fast foods, fried items and meat with more fat. Second point, eat fruits and vegetables, legumes, whole grains and nuts. Third point, do regular physical exercises. Come on students, let's do one sitting exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Fourth point, don't play games in computer and mobile phones. Guys, this is park. You can play in the park instead of sitting and playing in your computer. You can come to the park and then you can play in the park. What are the benefits of playing in the park means it reduces the stress and then it helps you to develop social development with others and then it increases your attention span. Play happily in the swing. Students, now you are seeing the shuttlecock ground. If you are playing shuttlecock, you can increase your immune system and then you can improve the cardiovascular health and then it burns the calories. Playing in the playground improves community development, the opportunity to practice and skills including social, emotional. You can make new friends while you are playing in the ground. Students, now you can see the basketball ground. By playing basketball, you can improve your immune system. It benefits your cardiovascular health. It burns calories. You can able to maintain friendly relationship with others. Fifth point, have adequate sleep. See students, in this chart you can see the picture of a boy. This boy is too obese. The person, those who are obese, increases the chances of these diseases. This is obstructive sleep apnea. Obstructive sleep apnea means தூங்கும்போது என்ன செய்யும் மூச்சு வந்து அவங்களுக்கு திணறும். High blood cholesterol. Cholesterol means too much of fat in the blood. High blood cholesterol, and then it leads to certain types of cancer. Cancer is a disease resulting in abnormal cell growth. And then diabetes. Increase in the blood sugar level is diabetes. High blood pressure. Blood pressure will increase. Blood pressure is the pressure of circulating the blood against the wall of blood vessels. The normal blood pressure value is 120 by 80 mm. And then it leads to heart disease. So, in order to avoid all these diseases, we have to do regular exercise. Body Mass Index BMI. People are generally classified as obese or overweight based on the BMI value. BMI value can be calculated using the formula person's weight in kilograms divided by square of his height in meters. In short form, we can write in kilogram per square meter. People whose BMI values are between 18.5 and 25 are less affected by heart attack, cancer and diabetes. For example, BMI of a person with 60 kg weight and a height of 190 cm can be calculated as, see students, here we have given in centimeter. So centimeter we have converted into meter, means we have to use this formula. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. 190 centimeter is equal to 190 divided by 100 meter. In the denominator 20 is there, means numerator after 2 digit you have to keep one decimal point. So 1.90 meter. Now you substitute the value in the given formula. So they have given weight of the person is 60 kg. So 60. Height we have converted into meter. 1.90 into 1.90. Come on students, let's find out what is the value for this one. Come on students, let's do the multiplication. 1.90 into 1.90. First we have to multiply by 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 9, 0. 1 into 0, 0. Next we have to multiply by 9. 9 into 0, 0. 9 nines are 81. So 1 balance 8. 1 nines are 9. 9 plus 8, 17. Next you multiply by 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 9, 9. 1 into 1, 1. Now we have to add all these numbers. So 0, 0, 1, 9 plus 7, 16. So 6 balance 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Here you see students, after decimal point 2 digits are there. Here also after the decimal point 2 digits are there. So 2 plus 2, 4. So in the answer, after 4 digit you have to keep the decimal point. So the answer is 3.6100. So 60 divided by 3.61. You see in the denominator students, we are having decimal point. So to eliminate this decimal point, we have to multiply by 100 on numerator and the denominator. After the decimal point 2 digits are there, so we have to multiply by 100. So 60 into 100, 6000. 3.61 into 100, you will be getting 36100. So after 2 digit one decimal point is there. So after 2 digit you have to keep one decimal point. After decimal point 0 is not having any value. So the answer is 6000 divided by 361. So now we have to divide 6000 by 361. Come on students, let's do the division. So 6000, see the divider. This is 361, it is having Now do the subtraction. So 0 we cannot able to separate. So borrow one number. 10 minus 1 9. 9 minus 6 3. 5 minus 3 2. Next we have to bring this 0. See students, if you are multiplying 361 by 6, you are getting 2166. So 6 times 361, 2166. Now do the subtraction. 10 minus 6, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. So after that we are not having any number. So keep one decimal point and put one 0. So again 6 times 361 is 2166. Now again do the subtraction. 10 minus 6, 4. 13 minus 6, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. Already we have kept the decimal points. So again you can add 1 0. So 740. So 2 times 361 is 722. When you are doing the subtraction means you will be getting 18. So 16.62. When you are dividing 16 by 3.61, we are getting the answer as 16.62. So you have to write the unit kilogram per square meter. If the BMI value is over 30 kilogram per square meter, the person is said to be
obese.
If the BMI value ranges from 25 to 30 kilogram per square meter, the person is having overweight.
Disease. D-I-S-E-A-S-E. Disease. Come on students, let's learn about disease. Disease is an abnormal condition that affects a living organism. This abnormal condition affects its structure and function. Diseases may be caused by external factors as well as internal factors. Each disease has symptoms. We come to know about the diseases from their symptoms. Causes of diseases. Causes. C-A-U-S-E-S. Causes of. O-F of. Diseases. D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S. Diseases. What is the cause of disease, students? This is mostly caused by microorganisms like bacteria. B-A-C-T-E-R-I-A. Students, do you know about bacteria? Bacteria, a member of large group of unicellular microorganisms which have cell walls but lack organelles and an organized nucleus, including some which can cause disease. Next one is virus. V-I-R-U-S. Virus. Virus is an infective agent that typically consists of a nucleic acid molecule in a protein coat. Is too small to see by microscope. Is too small to be seen by light microscopy and is able to multiply only within the living cells of a host. Next one is protozoa. P-R-O-T-O-Z-O-A. Protozoa or phylum or group comprises the single called microscopic animals. A phylum or group that comprises the single-celled microscopic animals. Next one is fungus. F-U-N-G-U-S. Fungus. A plant that is not green and does not have leaves or flowers, or that is like a wet powder and grows on old wood or food walls. Some fungi can be harmful to us. So these microorganisms, they are transmitted by insects and also through polluted air and contaminated water. Some diseases are caused when the function of the organ is affected. In general, cause of disease can be classified as below. First factor is metabolic factor. M-E-T-A-B-O-L-I-C.
metabolic factor. FACTOR. Students, do you know what is metabolic? Metabolism means relating to or deriving from the metabolism of a living organism. Second factor is genetic factor. GENETIC. Genetic factor. FACTOR. Genetic factor. Genetic means relating to genes or heredity. Genetic factor, example, color blindness. Color blindness means a reduced ability to distinguish between certain colors. Third point, through microorganisms. MICRO. Microorganisms. ORGANISMS. Microorganisms. A microscopic organism, especially a bacteria, virus or fungi. Example, bacterial diseases. Nutritional factor. Nutritional. NUTRITIONAL. Nutritional factor. 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 So, nutritional factor. What is nutrition means? The process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. Example for nutritional factor is marasmus. 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 Fifth factor is environmental factor. ENVIRONMENTAL. Factor. 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 Environmental means relating to the natural world and the impact of human activity on its condition. Example for environmental factor disease is cholera. CHOLERA. Cholera, an infectious and often fatal bacterial disease of the small intestine, typically contracted from infected water supplies and causing severe vomiting and diarrhea. See student, this is chart. In this chart I had drawn the tree. So this is root of the tree. So now we learn some diseases. So what is the cause for this diseases? So due to this reason only we are affected by this disease. So what is the root causes of diseases? First point is stress. Stress means pressure or tension exerted on a material object. Poor diet. What is diet, students? The kind of food that a person, animal or community habitually eats. If they are not taking proper diet means they will be affected by some diseases. Digestive problem. Problem in digestion. No exercise. If you are not doing any exercise means we will be affected by diseases. And then poor sleep. If you are not sleeping properly means it also leads to diseases. Toxins. Toxins means an antigenic poison or venom of plant or animal. Poison. So that is toxins. Now what is the disease and health issues? So due to this problem we are affected by some disease and health issues. Cancer. Irritable bowel. Irritable bowel means in Tamil it is known as kudal எப்பமே வந்து ரொம்ப எரிச்சலா இருக்கும். That is irritable bowel. Arthritis. Arthritis means painful inflammation and stiffness of the joints. Anxiety. Anxiety means a feeling of worry. எப்பவுமே அப்படியே கவலையோட இருக்குது. High blood pressure, BP level will increase. It will lead to heart disease. Heart diseaseலாம் வந்து இந்த main causeனால நமக்கு வரும். Allergy, சில பேருக்கு வந்து ஏதாவது மாத்திரை சாப்பிட்டா ஒத்துக்காது, ஏதாவது பழம் சாப்பிட்டா ஒத்துக்காது, காய் சாப்பிட்டா ஒத்துக்காது. So allergies. So what is allergy? Allergy is a damaging immune response by the body to a substance, especially pollen, fur, or a particular food or dust to which it has become hypersensitive. Depression. Depression means manasorvu. Obesity. So obesity means what, students? Obesity means the condition of being overweight. So diabetes, already I said, if the sugar level in the blood increases means that is the main reason for diabetes. That is known as diabetes. So through this chart we had learned about what are the root causes of disease and the disease caused due to this causes. Come on students, let's learn about the types of diseases. TYPES, types of, OF of diseases. DISEASES. There are 4 main types of diseases. They are, first one, infectious diseases. Infectious spelling INFECTIOUS. Infectious diseases. 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 Infectious diseases are caused by microorganisms which enter our body and multiply inside them. These diseases are spread from one person to another. Example, common cold and COVID-19. Second disease is hereditary diseases. HEREDITARY. Hereditary diseases. 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 Hereditary diseases occur due to abnormalities in the gene. These diseases are passed from parents to children. Example, heart disease. Students, do you know more number of people die every year due to heart disease than any other diseases? Third one is physiological diseases. PHYSIOLOGICAL. Physiological diseases. 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 Diseases which are caused due to malfunction of the body organs are called physiological diseases. Example, asthma. 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 Asthma is a respiratory condition marked by swells in the bronchi of the lungs, causing difficulty in breathing. Fourth one is deficiency diseases. DEFICIENCY. Deficiency diseases. 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 A diet which contains all essential nutrients in correct proportion is indispensable for maintaining good health. Deficiency in one or more of the nutrients causes various diseases. These diseases are called deficiency diseases. Come on students, let's learn about protein deficiency diseases. What is the spelling for protein? Very good. PROTEIN. Protein deficiency. 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 Diseases. DISEASES. Marasmus and kwashiorkor are the protein deficiency diseases. The child affected by marasmus lost weight and it will appear as though bones are covered by skin. The child affected by kwashiorkor develops an enlarged belly with swollen face and feet. By eating protein-rich foods like egg, milk, fish and green leafy vegetables, we can avoid protein deficiency diseases. Kwashiorkor disease is found more among people in developing countries. It is because their diet is high in carbohydrates, which is cheaper, and low in proteins, which is costly. As they live below poverty line, they could not afford protein-rich food. Vitamin and mineral deficiency diseases. Students, do you know what is a vitamin? Vitamin is a group of organic compounds which are essential for normal growth and nutrition and are required in small quantities in the diet because they cannot be synthesized by the body. Minerals are inorganic compounds. Certain diseases are caused due to deficiency of vitamins and minerals. By eating vitamin and mineral rich food, we can avoid these diseases. The following are some of the diseases caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A. V-I-T-A-M-I-N. Vitamin A. The disease caused by deficiency of vitamin A is night blindness. N-I-G-H-T. Night blindness. B-L-I-N-D-N-E-S-S. Night blindness. Night blindness is a condition which means our eyes are unable to adapt to two light conditions. Unable to adapt to two low light conditions. Food containing the vitamin. Egg, milk, carrot. Vitamin B. V-I-T-A-M-I-N. Vitamin B. Deficiency of vitamin B is beriberi. B-E-R-I. Berry. B-E-R-I. Beriberi means beriberi is a disease causing inflammation of the nerves and heart failure caused by a deficiency of vitamin B1. Food containing the vitamin. Milk, peas, ragi, green vegetables. Vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C is scurvy. S-C-U-R-V-Y. Scurvy. Scurvy is a disease caused by swollen, bleeding gums and the opening of previously healed wounds which particularly affected poorly nourished sailors until the end of 18th century. Food containing the vitamin. Amla, orange, lemon, tomato. Vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D is rickets. R-I-C-K-E-T-S. Rickets. Rickets is a disease of children caused by vitamin D deficiency, caused by imperfect calcification, softening and distortion of the bones, typically resulting in bow legs. Food containing the vitamin. Milk, egg, fish. Vitamin E deficiency disease is sterility. Sterility means the quality or condition of being sterile.
Food containing the vitamin.
Apple, wheat, green vegetables. Vitamin K. Vitamin K deficiency disease is hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means a lot of bleeding inside the body takes place.
Food containing the vitamin.
Green vegetables. Tomato.
Cabbage.
Iodine. Iodine deficiency disease is goiter. Goiter is a swelling in the front of the throat caused by an increase in the size of the thyroid gland.
Food containing the mineral.
Iodized salt. Vegetables. Iron deficiency disease is anemia. Anemia is a condition marked by a deficiency of red blood cells or hemoglobin in the blood.
Food containing the mineral.
Beans.
Today we learn about obesity, body mass index, disease, causes of diseases, types of diseases, vitamin and mineral deficiency diseases. It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver by Mahatma Gandhi.
Thank you, students.